Hello, we are here for one more lesson of this T-FLEX analysis training course. The topic for today will be something called working with results. And in fact, we are entering a new chapter. It's a new group of videos which are focused in processing results. So from now on, we are connected to something called the post-processor. And I'm saying this because until now we've seen topics, commands that were mainly to prepare the finite element model, or what we call the preprocessor. To show you some of these notions, some of these ideas, I've opened one of the files I have in my standard installation. It's a simple study. And I will create my results. So simply go and calculate it. You've seen this already. And what I want to show you about these results, it is that this is a software that has the analysis model perfectly integrated with the CAD. So this tree has several entries, and one of the entries, it is about the studies, which we can have several. And as we talk already, and you've seen already, under each study we have grouped information by topics. So we have a group for restraints, for loads, for study elements, and after running the solve, we have also a group for results. And we can see these results in several ways, because this is more or less standard like the other elements or entries in this tree. So we can see the results always in a separate window, doing, for example, clicking with my right mouse button and saying open in a new window. So and I'll get a separate window where I can check my results, or I can simply click twice on top of the entry and I go to the exact same place. This is quite interesting and very efficient also to analyze, because this specific window, this new window, has a lot of functions that we will check in the next lessons, where we can analyze everything that is going under the results. On the same way, it is important to say that we can clear the results also in two different ways. Being the first one, going under the study and choosing the option clear. And if we do clear, as we can see here, the execution of this command will remove all the results. I don't want to do it now. And we can do also this clear, and this clear study will maintain also all the conditions to create a result, but the results will be recalculated when we run again the solve command. And basically this is the information which for this topic, the working with results, it is important for you to understand. Any additional information or any help you may need, so we are under here for all the support that you may need from our side.